Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. If you want to know what trades I will open in the near future and why Binance can become the next FTX, then watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So we are on the 4-hour time frame. Here we see a yellow upward channel which broke down on December 16th, and we flew through several volume levels. $16,800 is our first support, which we easily broke through and reached $16,500. As you remember, I said that if one of the 4-hour candlesticks closes around $17,300, then we can expect a subsequent increase. But this hasn't happened yet. We have broken through our first good support, and now we have come to the second volume level. And from it, during the weekend, made a small rebound. Now we are trading between two levels, $16,900, which recently became resistance. So support is now $16,500, and between these levels we are trading. In the near future, I can expect that we will retest the $16,900 level, because this is a good volume level, and maybe even retest $17,200. It also fits well with our Fibonacci strategy, which I talked about in previous videos and which we will talk about today. Also, be careful, because next week there is a lot of news, a lot of floods about Binance, which we will also talk about today. Accordingly, if the floods increase, if the new data from the Fed is also negative, then we may see a decline to the level of $15,900. So we see a large volume at the level of $17,200. It would be nice to test this and remove the liquidity and stops that are here. In the next few days, in my opinion, we will still test this level, make a correction to this fall, which was absolutely uncorrectable. After that, we may go further down. First of all, it's a higher priority to take the liquidity that has accumulated on top, due to the fact that people open endless shorts. So let's also look at the volumes we currently have. As I said, we stand at the level of $17,200, $16,500, $700. This fits well with the volumes we see on this chart. There are large volumes here, so the price slowed down its fall here. So now let's look at the news. $10 billion was withdrawn from Binance yesterday, which is just a huge amount. Nance's Twitter account reports that just a month ago, Binance had $69 billion in their storage and in their liquidity. Now they have withdrawn $10 billion, and now their capitalization is $54 billion. Accordingly, the total assets that Binance has are $54 billion, and the main assets are in USDT and Bitcoin. There is a lot of pressure on Binance. So far they are coping with the negative. I'm sure that no other exchange, if such an amount was withdrawn from it in a day, wouldn't be able to survive. We observed approximately similar things with the collapse of the FTX, when a huge amount of money was withdrawn in a day due to the liquidity of the FTX and due to the fact that the main assets were not in stable coins and not even in Bitcoin. Accordingly, the FTX expected to collapse, panic began, manipulators began to withdraw money from the exchange, causing difficulties, and after that the FTX token went down and the exchange declared itself bankrupt. Another news is that OKX has suspended the withdrawal of funds. This is one of the largest exchanges which is located in Hong Kong. The OKX official account states that this is a problem with the servers of Alibaba, which is located in Hong Kong, and now the withdrawal of funds has been suspended. Maybe they don't know how to solve this problem themselves, and we will look further what will happen, but this adds to the negative that usually happens at the bottom of the market, and all this news can affect the further movement of the price of Bitcoin and contribute to its further fall. fall. As I promised, we will look at the chart from our previous reviews. This is Fibonacci grid stretched for a fall. As you can see, we are in this zone of resistance. It will be possible to try loaning from these levels. The closest level where the price can reach is $17,478. I would try to take such a trade loan with a lot of risk, and with less risk I would try to take a trade from $15,900 $16,000 with a stop or immediately below the support level. If you are afraid of squeezes, then the stop is about 3.5%. Take profit can be taken to the level of 0.342 or 0.5. This is a more reliable trade, more local trade if you go long from $16,686. For shorts, I can't give you a setup yet because it doesn't show up here. Yes, you can short from 16,600 or 16,500. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, it turns out that you can open short with a small stop here. But for now, I give priority to a correction to the fall, so I can't say anything about the shorts, and I will not give setups for opening short positions. If you want to open the same trades as I did, so you definitely should register on BYBIT. You can use my link in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your 30,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you can get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country or you don't want to use it, you have a good alternative. You have BitGet. It's available for all users, and on the BitGet cryptocurrency exchange you can get up to $4,163 bonuses. And right now, follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comments, register using my links and get your bonuses. So now we have gone beyond this triangle. If we confirm the break, now it looks like we are confirming it. Because we didn't retest this triangle, now we can say that this is a confirmation of the breakdown. And if so, then we set the nearest targets at the level of 15,400, 15,900. Again, they are the same as the previous two charts that I showed you. On the daily time frame, we have a downward priority to the level of $15,400, $15,900. This doesn't mean that we still cannot retest this triangle and the trend line that has formed since November 21st within a few days. Within days, we can still test $17,300, $17,200. I gave you setup for short-term swing trades within a day, within a week maximum. To capture this move, we therefore open our trades with long priority. Here we have a triangle, and the level that is here is $19,000 and about $20,000. We reached this zone only with this week and hooked this zone. So that is, it starts from $18,200. The zone marked with 3 green lines is the seller zone. We entered here, collected liquidity and went down. When we approach the trend line and retest it at the level of 17,200, from the price reaction you can see the priority of opening short positions. If we just retest the trend line, then we can already try to open shorts with a small stop with a target in the 15,000, 16,000 range. Let's look at a fallen wedge. We see a bullish formation. Everything is also unchanged here. In my Telegram group I gave you several scenarios for the next movements. We have a bullish wedge that was formed a long time ago, somewhere since the summer. We have the potential to move in the $17,200 trend line, or we have about $15,900 or $16,000. But I think we test $17,200 first and then drop to $15,900. It's quite possible that we will have a retest of the $15,000 level, which coincides with the border of this wedge. We will move further inside this wedge. We can see something like this. That is globally, of course, more negative. We're looking at the $13,000 levels, but one of the factors that could cancel those targets is that everyone is talking about these levels right now, and when everyone is talking about it, most likely we will not see it. But the news and the overall picture partly confirm this, so don't forget about this scenario. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. So I hope you like this video and I hope you like my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram group where I post a lot of updates. And don't forget to write your opinion in the comments. It's all